With the housing industry slowly turning the corner, you face new challenges. Labor shortages coupled with new regulations, rising material costs, managing more efficient manufacturing processes, and planning for current and future growth. At SBCA, our goal is to walk with you through these challenges, put industry-proven best practices at your fingertips, find you good ideas and the latest trends, and help you protect yourself from external forces threatening to make your job even harder.
For example, when OSHA issued new residential fall protection requirements, SBCA worked with OSHA to create a step-by-step approach for compliant installation of roof trusses. This is a great customer service tool for all component manufacturers to use with their customers, as OSHA has stepped up job site inspections. It also places our industry far ahead of conventional roof construction practices. To assist component manufacturers in communicating and educating on fall protection and a variety of other current issues, SBCA has created a number of component technology workshop programs. This extensive series of online training classes are a perfect way to share good information on key topics and are geared to help our members better compete against conventional framing. Over the past year, SBCA has also hosted 30 online workshops and presentations to address important and emerging topics from technical issues to management and sales techniques. If that wasn't enough, SBCA is committed to packaging and supplying industry best practice tools through online training and certification programs, including truss technician training, basic training for plant personnel, operation safety, truck driver training, quality control, and contract management through ORISC. Those best practice training programs aren't effective if you can't find the employees you need. That's why SBCA has recreated its workforce development website. As the structural component industry's career development clearinghouse, this site is complete with job and resume postings as well as resources you can use to build a solid pool of job applicants.
Finding the time to digest the mountain of news and information that hits you every day can be challenging. That's why SBCA is dedicated to passing along CM-specific information to help you stay in tune and improve your operations through weekly SBC industry news updates, biennial financial performance and wage and benefit surveys, and SBC Magazine, in print and online. Our industry produces highly engineered products manufactured in a quality-controlled environment. As such, each component relies heavily on the quality of the raw materials used. Through the SBC Research Institute, we're focusing on top cord bearing performance to ensure floor truss applications are as competitive as possible. We also recently developed data on resilient channel diaphragm and long-term creep performance. Each of these test programs is focused on making truss design more efficient and cost-effective. To ensure a level playing field with other construction methods, SBCA vigorously represents component manufacturers in the ongoing code change arena and provides comprehensive code compliance support for members.
SBCA is also working diligently to raise awareness in the market about the importance of reliable design values to safely resist applied loads. Unlevel playing fields reduce the value of engineering that our industry provides. It is particularly important to advocate for uniform code enforcement so that component manufacturers are not competing at a disadvantage against conventional framing. Similarly, SBCA continues to stridently advocate against the cost-competitive advantage 2x10 floor construction has over the use of floor trusses and I-joists in the 2009 IRC, where trusses need a gypsum ceiling and 2x10s do not. Finally, in planning for the future, SBCA is working with component manufacturers and the entire supply chain to open lines of direct communication and explore issues of mutual concern and opportunity. For instance, the Lumber and Components Council was formed to bring component and lumber manufacturers together to discuss key industry opportunities, such as the fact that we buy design values. This creates opportunities for using machines to evaluate lumber properties and increase reliability. Also, the National Framers Council was recently created to bring component manufacturers and framers together to use SBCA program templates to ensure all framers leave the job site the same way they came to it in the morning.
The market is continually evolving, and the SBCA community is here to walk alongside of you, providing you with a source of support when you need it. More than ever, getting involved in key SBCA activities and developing diverse friendships helps all of us build a stronger and more supportive community. Please consider this an open invitation as we desire and need all the fresh perspective that we can get. and we hope you all have a wonderful 2014.